Alright, part 2 of our little forge burner. So we've gone ahead, I've tightened everything up. Took about 3 or 4 minutes. Got it locked in a vise. Our striker's there. So we're going to come down this way and turn it on. So it's at about 4 psi. Rolling away pretty good. That's covering up our holes. So I'll walk this into my little helper's hands for a second. Change the PSI. The plan is we're going to take angle iron, lock that into place. That's her. About 5 minutes or so, the whole thing will be glowing red. We can also lift this one rock up. That kind of helps contain the heat. We're also able to amp this up. So that put it to an even 5. So it's tough to tell on camera, but the floor is all red already. And that railroad spike knife that I just slid in there is also starting to change. already. That's just running off of 5 psi. Cost of this forge and the whole setup is under $70. And already you can see how hot that spike is getting. Okay, well, if you have any questions or comments or need any better description, I guess one thing I didn't say in the first video, I don't know if I did or not, is the holes I drilled in the 3/4 inch pipe are 1/2 inch holes and 3 rows of 4. So if you go straight through, well, that eliminates some. So plan is that we're going to have this other chunk come up, and we're going to lock this pipe down with these angle iron. We're just going to bolt that burner in place, and that'll help stabilize this burner, because right now it's just locked into this vise with the hose and just kind of balancing there. Again, any questions or comments, just ask. Thanks for watching.